welcome back to our next art lesson. Okay, pretty cool landscapes you're sending. Okay, I just want to remind you of something. When you were creating a landscape, and you were doing that horizon line, remember one important thing, okay? The horizon line should go all the way from one side to the other, okay? All right? So your horizon line should split. Remember, skies from wherever you were drawing, okay? Now, don't do a horizon line like this. Because if you leave a horizon line here and you put things, okay, right? It doesn't look right because this is broken. So remember that, okay? So when you look at a landscape, you will always see a horizon line all over the place. All right, got it? Now, thank you so much for all these pictures you've been sending. I love to see your art, okay? So every time you have a chance, just send me to my email and I can look at it and see how you're doing, all right? And keep it going. Now, today what we're going to do is we're going to do one thing, but I'm going to split it twice. I'm going to do one time here, and I'm going to do one time with the paper on the table, okay? So it's a very simple lesson. What we're going to do is we're going to create a house in 3D. It's very, very simple, okay? So look at that. Now, we've been talking a lot about lines, right? Lines are very, very important for us artists. Now, let's talk about something else, okay? Which we've been using too. Hey, so let's talk about shapes. Do you remember shapes? So if I do this, right? If I get a line and I keep going with that line back to where I started, I have a shape, right? So that's a shape, a triangle. So a shape is a line that goes back to where it started, right? So what about if I do this? Look, I make another shape, like a square or a rectangle, okay? Now, if you look at very carefully, I have here a square and a triangle. So a lot of art, if you remember, if you were here in kindergarten, you remember, a lot of art, they're full of shapes. If you look around, everything has shapes, right? Shapes or lines, lines and shapes and colors, right? So shapes are very important for us to understand how to use them. Now, if I do this, look, if I put this, oh, hey, wait a minute, here, right? So if I put it together, I kind of have a house, right? So how can I make this house 3D? Look at that. If I put another rectangle here, see? I put another rectangle here, all right? And then on the top here, I put a line, but a very short line. Look. Very short. See? It's not a long line. Now, from this line here, I'm going to go there. Look. Do you see that? That's a 3D house. Yeah, right? See? So, let's do it again. Okay? So, you got it? Right? Now, I put that together. If I think about now that horizon line, check it out. I can just keep going, okay? So that's your task for this week. I just want you to work with 3D houses, okay? Now, I'm going to show you on a paper too, okay? Because I like you to see with things that you can use at home, okay? Because usually we don't have smart boards at home, right? I don't have a smart board at home. Do you have one at home? Really? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, we're going to do in the paper, all right? So let's move to the paper. Follow. Okay then, my dear first graders, so I want to see your 3D house, okay? Because we're going to use a 3D house in our next project, all right? Okay, I will talk to you later. Have fun. Bye-bye.